Hello everyone, welcome back once again on my channel. If you love nature, cozy and handmade home decoration, you are going to love these ideas because today we are going to explore some beautiful and creative rustic wall decor ideas using simple natural materials such as twigs, jute rope, pine cones and a few easy decoration elements. The best part is that rustic decor does not have to be expensive. With a little creativity, ordinary material from nature can be turned into beautiful decorations for your home. So guys, small dry twigs are one of the easiest material to use for rustic decoration. You can collect naturally fallen twigs from your garden, park or outdoor area, making sure that they are clean, dry and safe to use. Before using them, remove any loose leaves or rough pieces. You can keep the natural brown color because it gives the decoration an authentic rustic appearance. Now arrange the twig into a simple shape. You can create a small circular design, a star, a heart or even an abstract wall decoration. There is no need to make the shape perfectly. In fact, the natural and slightly imperfect appearance is what makes rustic rust so charming. Once you are happy with the arrangement, use jute rope to hold the twigs together. Jute rope is perfect for this type of projects because it has a natural texture and blends beautifully with wood and other earthly material. Wrap the jute rope around the meeting points of the twigs and secure everything carefully. You can also make a small hanging loop at the top so that your finished decoration can easily be placed on a wall. Now comes one of my favorite part, decoration, the twig frame. Pine cones are wonderful for rustic and holiday inspired decorations. They naturally have a beautiful shape and texture, so even a simple pine cone can make a handmade decoration look much more interesting. You can use a small pine cone or larger one depending on the size of your wall decoration. For a more natural appearance, simply leave them in their original color. But if you want a festival holiday look, you can add a small amount of white paint to the edges. This creates the appearance of a light layer of snow and gives the decoration a cozy winter feeling. You can also add small pieces of greenery around the pine cone, artificial leaves, small branches, dried flowers, or simple green steam can work beautifully. Try not to add many elements. One of the secret of beauty rustic decoration is keeping the design simple. The natural material should remain the main focus. Now let's create another easy idea. Take several twigs or similar length and arrange them. Tie them together with jute rope. This simple arrangement can become a beautiful rustic wall hanging. You can decor the center with a pine cone, a small red flower, or even a simple handmade bow. A jute bow is especially beautiful because it adds a soft handmade touch without taking away from the natural appearance. If you want to make the decoration suitable for a holiday theme, you can add small festival details. For example, you can use tiny star, wooden ornaments, miniature bells, or simple white accent. You can also add a few warm colored decorative pieces to create a cozy seasonal atmosphere. And remember, you don't need expensive decoration to make something look beautiful. Sometimes the simplest material can create the most attractive results. Another great idea is to combine several small rustic pieces together. Instead of making one large wall decoration, create 3 or 4 smaller pieces and arrange them as a group. For example, you can make one twig circle on a small pine cone arrangement and one jute rope wall hanging. So guys, this decoration can work wonderfully in many different areas of the home. You can place them in the living room, bedroom, hallway, entrance area, balcony, or even a cozy corner near a window. They can also be used as a seasonal decoration during the holiday. If you prefer a cozy farmhouse look, add pine cones, greenery, dried flower, and wooden elements. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. And handmade decoration is all about creativity, patience, and enjoyment, the little details. If you enjoyed this natural home decoration idea, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more creative inspiration, craft ideas, home decor, and beautiful handmade project. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you love this collection and if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and give me a one like. So guys, bye bye.